Konbini fried chicken is a very popular snack sold at Konbini, short for convenience stores across Japan. Kept warm in a hot deli case by the register, fried chicken is available 24/7 at a very reasonable price. Today we will try recreating the Konbini chicken at home. Full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, flatten the chicken thighs with a meat pounder. We are using the chicken with the skin on, just like the one from Konbini. It is fattening, but that makes it juicy, rich, and flavorful. Cut each thigh in half and make 4 pieces total from 2 thighs. Next, we make the marinade. Mince the garlic and ginger. In a small bowl, add the soy sauce, miso paste, sake, sesame oil, and add the grated ginger and garlic. Mix well using a whisk. Pour it over the chicken and coat all the surface of the chicken with the marinade. And marinate the chicken in the fridge for 1 hour. In the meantime, mix the dry ingredients for the crust: all-purpose flour, potato starch, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and mix well. And lightly beat the egg in a separate container. And dip each piece of chicken into the beaten egg. Then coat thoroughly with the flour mixture. Heat the frying oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Fry the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes, turning once or twice until lightly golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oil and let it rest for 1 minute. Then fry them again over medium-high heat for another couple of minutes. Frying twice makes the chicken extra crispy. Remove from the oil and serve immediately. We wrap each piece of chicken with a parchment paper, similar to how it's sold at Konbini. We hope you tried this beloved comfort food that just about everyone enjoys.
美味しい。
美味しいね。